guys, welcome back. I am so insanely excited to be filming today's video because we are about to unbox my 2018 Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you are unfamiliar with the Lucky Bag, it is essentially a mystery bag of beauty products. Beautylish releases them every year and they are inspired by a Japanese New Year tradition. Unfortunately, the 2018 one is already sold out. They sell out pretty quickly, but I will have the link down below where you can enter your email and you will be notified for the pre-sale. I always order mine like the exact second they go live on Boxing Day, December 26th, to make sure I don't miss out, and then they shipped out this year on January 11th, so I ordered it quite a while ago. It just got here yesterday though, and I've been dying to tear into it. They are $75, and then unfortunately they don't have their free Canadian shipping. You do have to pay $15 for shipping, so it is quite pricey. It ends up being about $115 Canadian, so I'm really hoping the box is fantastic. This is my second year doing the Lucky Bag unboxing, so I'll link last year's video down below and in the cards if you want to check it out after this video. The minimum value of the box is always $150, and Beautylish has a ton of amazing brands like Natasha Denona, Charlotte Tilbury, It Cosmetics, Wayne Goss, Viseart, so many great brands, so you're bound to get some great things in the box. Like I said though, I'm dying to tear into this box, so let's just go ahead and get into it. This is what it looks like when you first open it. Everything is wrapped up super cutely, and then everything on the inside is wrapped in tissue paper as well, so you can't see anything. So let's go ahead and break the wrapping paper. Ooh, so the first thing in here is actually a makeup setting spray from Skindinavia. I've never actually tried Skindinavia, so this is actually the bridal makeup finishing spray, though I don't imagine there's much of a difference. I'm hoping if anything, that just means this is going to be extra long wearing and waterproof. It says it's a fine mist, oil-free and paraben-free. Let's give it a spray. Yeah, really nice fine mist. So far we are off to a great start. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm literally just like reaching down and pulling out random products. Next we have got a brush shampoo from Clean Apothecary. So I have seen this brand when I've been browsing on Beautylish, but I've never tried any of the products. I've never really heard anyone talk about them. But it says it's in the grapefruit scent, and it just says wet your brush and gently swirl it on top of the shampoo to create a rich lather. So just like a solid. Oh, that smells so good. It's so citrusy and fresh. I'm definitely going to love this, and it looks like you get a really generous amount, definitely a lot bigger than like the Beauty Blender or Sephora collection solid brush cleaners, so that's awesome too. Product number 3 is something that is bubble wrapped, and it looks like Charlotte Tilbury. No way, you guys, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold highlight. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm so excited. This is like instantly worth it because I've always wanted to try this highlight, but I've never actually caved and bought it. And if you saw my yearly favorites that I just posted, I was talking about how I really started loving gold highlights this year. Damn, you guys, I am so impressed. Last year it was the By Terry Baume de Rose that like made my entire box worth it, and this year it's this product. Let's swatch this. Oh, it's so soft, and like the design is just so cute. It looks like an actual little gold bar. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to love this. Item number 4, I haven't looked at it once again. I just pulled it out. Ooh, an OCC lip tar, or liquid lipstick rather. Is that different from their lip tar? Because I know they repackage their lip tars into packaging like this. It's a really fun color. Don't know if it's something I'll wear a ton, but it is in the shade Lily. It's a really pretty color, definitely a color that would probably make my teeth look super yellow. Again, not something I'm gonna get like a ton of use out of if I wear it at all, really. I'll have to try it on one day and see what I think. Definitely something I could pair with like a darker lip liner though to make it work. I've talked about it before on my channel, but I used to like exclusively wear purple lipstick, so this feels like a kind of throwback for me because this is a shade I totally would have dyed over like probably 8 years ago. Got something really big and really heavy and in bubble wrap once again. Oh, this is the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. I think I've had a deluxe size sample of this in the past and I didn't actually like it. I'm thinking this is the same product. Let me see if I can tell if this is the same product that I tried before. I remember the reason I didn't like it was because it smelled awful. So I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, this smells so bad. I don't know what it is. It's got kind of like a rubbery scent. It just smells really bad. Like I couldn't use the sample. I ended up throwing it out. So I'm going to give that away to someone or donate it. I think this next one is going to be the last item. Oh no, I feel 2 little things. It is a Wayne Goss makeup brush, which is also so exciting. This is number 19, and it is just a super fine and precise little like detailed blending brush. Really nice for like really carving out and defining a crease or like the outer V of your eye. You could even use this on the lower lash line. It's small enough. Wayne Goss brushes are amazing quality, but they're also super expensive. So really happy to see this. It's really funny actually. I got a Wayne Goss brush in last year's bag. It's the number 8, I believe. It's like this teeny tiny little like flat defining liner brush. and that is actually my favorite item that I got in last year's bag. I use it every single day. It's what I use to like carve out my eyebrows, and it has been a huge game changer, which is so funny because it's not something I thought I would use at all when I first opened it, but it's like one of my favorite things ever. I can't live without it. And finally, we have got what is clearly a palette. I was gonna say feels like a palette, but it is a palette, and it is the Jeffree Star and Drogyny palette, which you guys know, not the biggest fan of Jeffree Star. It is what it is. We're all adults. That's just my opinion. If you love Jeffree Star, no offense to you. Let's all be civil about it. Last year, I actually got one of his liquid lipsticks in my Lucky Bag, and quite a few of you guys commented and said you don't order the Lucky Bag specifically because you don't want to get Jeffree Star products, which is totally fair. I respect that. Apparently, the universe wants me to try them, though. So yeah, once again, I got the Androgyny palette. Let's open this up. I am excited to just see what they're like because it's not a product I would personally spend my money on, even though I kind of did by buying this bag. You guys know what I mean. But it's interesting to try it. So this is this more like kind of muted rainbow palette, a lot of matte shades in this one. So let's go ahead and do a little swatch. I'm gonna pick up 3 of the shades. This is definitely very different than anything I have in my collection. I do have a lot of bright palettes, but I don't have any of these kind of more muted brights like I was saying. So let's swatch. Yeah, they seem really nice. I have no doubt in my mind that Jeffree Star has fantastic products because I know a lot of people really love them. Once again, just not a brand I've personally chosen to buy anything from. Last year, I ended up doing a full face of first impressions where I worked all of my Lucky Bag items into that video and tried them out for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing that again, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know, and let me know in the comments. So that was everything in my Lucky Bag this year. I'm gonna quickly go hop on the Beautylish website and total everything up so I can get the value for you guys. So I totaled up the value, and are you ready for this, guys? The value of my Lucky Bag is $203 this year. And if I actually went and ordered all of these products from Beautylish right now, the Canadian equivalent would be $252. So I am definitely very pleased. I'm really happy. Definitely worth spending the money this year. My box is great, and I'll probably do it again next year. The only thing I'm really unhappy with is the Indie Lee cleanser. The things I'm definitely most excited about are the Scandinavia spray and the Charlotte Tilbury highlight, but everything else in my box I'm really happy about, like the brush cleaner, the actual makeup brush from Goss, and even the palette. I'm excited to give it a shot and see what I think. So I'm definitely about to go binge watch a bunch of other people's Lucky Bag unboxings and see what everyone else got. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That would really help me out. And go follow me everywhere on social media. I am at Sari Rihanna on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And hit that subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. But I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!